Chapter 6. More on Paint. Paint software. Paint is a software program of the Windows accessories menu. It helps us to draw and color on the computer. You can open the Paint program by following these steps. 1. Click on Start. 2. Click on All Programs. 3. Click on Accessories. 4. Click on Paint. Remember, you can also open Paint by double-clicking on the Paint icon from the desktop. Parts of the Paint window. Paint program will open up in a window with components as shown below. Title bar. Title bar shows the name of the program. Minimize, maximize or restore and close buttons help us to minimize, maximize, restore and close the Paint window. Ribbon. Ribbon below the title bar contains the different tabs, tools, colors and command buttons to work in Paint. Paint button. It contains options to save, open, create a file, etc. Tab. Paint ribbon has two tabs, Home tab and New tab. Each tab has several command buttons divided in groups. We can click a tab to select it and see the command button to continue. Drawing area. This is the area in the middle where we draw and color. Access toolbar. This area to the left of the tiny bar shows the buttons like save, undo, redo, etc. Drawing in Paint. We can draw and color in Paint using the tools and features given in the Tools, Brushes, Shades and Color group of the Home tab. To draw using a tool, you need to select it and then drag it in the drawing area. Pencil tool. We can use the pencil tool to draw freehand lines just as we do with a real pencil. Let's use the pencil tools are as follows. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Click on the pencil tool from the Tools group. 3. Click on the size arrow and select the thickness for the pencil line. 4. Click on the Color 1 button in the Colors group. Then select a color for the line. 5. Bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. 6. Click and drag to draw a required shape. Remember, color 1 is the foreground color. It is used when you draw or color using the left mouse button. Color 2 is the background color. It is used when you draw and color using the right mouse button. The brush tool. Different kinds of brushes available under this tool. Let us draw freehand lines and curves just as we draw with a real brush. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Click the down arrow below the Brushes tool and select a brush. 3. Click on the Color 1 button and then select a brush color from the color box. 4. Click on the size down arrow and select a brush size. 6. Bring the pointer in the drawing area. 7. Click and drag to draw a shape. The Fill with Color tool. You can use the Fill with Color tool to fill colors in the drawings or shapes you draw. The steps to use this tool are as follows. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Select the Fill with Color tool from the Tools group. 3. Click on Color 1 button and select the color that you want to fill from the color box. 4. Bring the pointer inside the shape. 5. Click the mouse. The color will be filled inside the shape. Correcting leaking colors. If you try to color a shape that is not closed or has a broken edge, the color will leak out. If this happens, follow these steps to correct it. 1. First press the Ctrl plus left key to reverse the filling action. 2. Select the brush tool. Select a required foreground button and select an outline style for the line. 4. Select the line color from the color group. 5. Bring the pointer to the drawing area, click and drag to draw a line. 6. Use the steps from 3 to 6 to draw lines of different thickness, color and style. The Curve tool. The Curve tool in the Shapes group lets you draw smooth curved lines of desired thickness and color. The steps to use this tool are given below. 1. Click on the Home tab, then click to select the Curve tool. 2. Click to select the line size, color and outline style. 3. Drag the pointer to draw a line. 4. Click on the line where you want the curve and drag to make the line curved. 5. You can repeat step 4 once more to give another curve to the line. The Oval tool. The Oval tool can be used for drawing ovals and circles. The steps are: 1. Select the Oval tool from the Shapes group in the Home tab. 2. Select the thickness, color 1, color 2 and outline style for the oval. 3. Click on the Fill button and select a fill style. 4. Bring the pointer to the drawing area. 5. Click and drag to draw an oval shape. 7. To draw a circle, hold down the Shift key while dragging. Remember, when you draw a shape such as an oval or a rectangle, color 1 forms the outline. On enabling a fill style and color 2, background color gets filled in the shape. So take care to select an appropriate color 2 while drawing these shapes. The Rectangle tool. The Rectangle tool lets us draw rectangles and squares. Let us see how. 1. Select the Rectangle tool from the Shapes group. 2. Click to select a size for the border. 3. Select the color 1 and color 2 from the color group. 4. Click on the Fill button and select a fill style. 5. Bring the pointer to the drawing area. 6. Click and drag to draw a rectangle. 7. To draw a square, hold down the Shift key while dragging. The Polygon tool. A polygon is a closed figure with 3 or more straight sides. We can use the Polygon tool to draw polygons easily. The steps are as follows. 1. On the Home tab in the Shapes group, click the Polygon tool. 2. Select a line size, color, outline and fill style for the shape. 3. Bring the pointer to the drawing area and drag to draw a straight line. 4. Then click at different points to create more sides. 5. In the end, click at the initial point to close the shape. Do you know, a triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. Basic file operations in Paint. Every drawing we make in Paint is called a file. Till now we have learned to use various tools and options to make drawings. Let us now learn how we can save a drawing file, create a new file, close a file and open an already saved drawing file in Paint. Saving a file. To save a file means to store it permanently on your computer's hard disk or some other storage device. The steps to save a drawing file are: your work, you can follow these steps to close the Paint program. 1. Click on the Paint button. 2. From the Paint menu, select the Exit option or click the Close button on the title bar. The Paint program will close down. Always remember to save any changes that you have made to a file. Let's recall. Paint is a software program of the accessories menu. It helps us to draw and color. The tools in the tools group of the Home tab help us to make drawings and fill colors in them. The pencil